Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Telegram SMS fee problem on your Telegram account. So guys, if you're trying to create account and you're facing this issue and you're unable to create account, here I will show you how can you fix it. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, the very first solution for this problem is that you have to simply uninstall your Telegram app for one time, and after this you have to simply install the updated version of Telegram app on your device. So guys, open your App Store or Play Store and search for Telegram app. Here it is. And now download the latest version of Telegram app on your device and check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there, then you have to open settings on your device, and from here scroll it below, and then you have to simply go to apps and then go to Telegram. Here it is, and from here you have to simply tap on language and select English as language, and after this go back, and now you have to simply open general section, scroll it below and go to language and region and select your country or region from here as United States. So guys, simply select it as United States, and after this go back, and now you have to simply restart your device for one time and check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there, then you have to simply connect your device with a VPN and then select the country as USA on your VPN settings. So guys, simply select the country as USA on your VPN settings, and after this try to create account again. So guys, do this, and after this hopefully your problem will be fixed. And if you still face this problem, then you have to simply contact the Telegram support team for further information and help. So guys, hopefully they will try to fix this problem for you within 24 hours. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.